Well, today, as Courtney mentioned, we're going to be going through a conversation with the Konica Minolta healthcare leadership, Adam specifically, talking about kind of the path that they took to Postgres, as well as the path that we've taken together in our partnership between Konica Minolta Healthcare and EDB. I'm going to hand it over to Adam to walk us through kind of some of the backstory and what brought us to where we eventually became partners in the overall Postgres journey for Konica Minolta Healthcare.
So, as I was saying on mute, Konica Minolta, I think for most people, if you've heard the name, you think of us as sort of a printer copier business. And that is a large portion of the business that we have in the US today. But Jamie, if you'll advance a slide, we're a global company of 43,000 employees, 2 million customers, 150 countries. And a large part of it is business technologies, but a large part of it is healthcare. And the healthcare part of our business is growing rapidly. So if you look quickly on the right side there, you'll see that, from a medical perspective, we're in medical imaging, healthcare IT, optics. What's not on this slide, but we've recently acquired an AI company. And so we do a lot of things in the precision medicine space that a lot of people aren't familiar with when it comes to Konica Minolta. And the product that I work on is a PACS product. Picture archiving system is what that refers to, but it is how we intake and manage radiology images, MRIs, X-rays, CTs for our customers, and give them the ability to manage and view those patient records, do diagnostics for those patients, and then send those reports back to their doctors. Jamie, if you'll advance to the next slide for me real quick. So you kind of see quickly there on the screen a little bit about what our platform offers. But we're a single database solution, which is something that's kind of unique in our field. Most of our large competitors don't offer a solution that the PACS, the billing, the radiology information solution all live in the same database. And that makes us a little bit unique in this space, and is part of the reason why kind of we're here today talking about the database side of our platform. But our platform, provides our customers the ability to store and manage, diagnose patient information, and share that patient information with referring physicians and with patients.
Now, out of curiosity, what is it that drove the decision to have a unified database approach to this instead of having, basically a farmed or distributed approach? So from a platform perspective, you mentioned that a lot of the competition out there has multiple databases. Is there a specific value that you guys kind of bring to the table by having that unified approach?
So having a single database allows us to essentially make the application experience much faster for customers. So given that it's essentially a single portal where they can do multiple things as far as the patient data is concerned, because having all of the data in one database, we can very quickly join data together and present it to the customer much faster. And in fact, our web portal is designed so that it automatically refreshes data in the web if it changes in the database. So the customer doesn't have to refresh their screen or make any changes to see the most up-to-date data. And that's one of the key factors, and one of our bigger selling points is our ability to present the data as it changes to the customer in real time.
So I would imagine it increases the insight that they can get from reporting, as well as just simplifies and empowers an easier customer experience.
Correct. I mean, a very simple explanation of this is a study that is being taken at an MRI machine. As it's coming in, the system will show you that the study is incoming. When the study is complete, the system will show you that the study is complete. All of this happens without the customer having to change screens or refresh anything because the database is telling the front end, I've got new data and representing